So, yesterday I showed you how to fix my degree info using RAG. It worked once, but as a Google engineer, I can't ship code that just works once, right? What if the next user asks about my degree again or my current job? How do I know that AI won't start hallucinating again? So, in production, we don't do vibe check. We use evals. Today, I'm showing you how to move from guessing to measuring. So, we give the judge a rubric. For my education demo, the rubric is simple. Did the AI mention the BCA? Did it correctly identify that I dropped out of MCA? Did it hallucinate a BTech or no? The judge gives a score from 0 to 1 based on these facts. So now, when we are building RAG systems, there are three specific number you need to track. We call this as a RAG Triad. One is context relevance. Did our search find the right document about our BCM? Second is groundedness. Is the answer only based on the document or did the AI start making things up again? Third thing is answer relevance. Did it actually answer the user's question or not? So, eval turns prompting into engineering. Once you have a score, you can actually see if changing your prompt makes the system better or worse. Tomorrow, we are going to use all of this prompting, RAG, and evals to reverse engineer a massively legacy code base. So, don't miss it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.